October, Realme is expected to launch two flagship phones, namely the Realme GT8 and GT8 Pro in China. Reliable tipster DCS has been constantly sharing details about the upcoming flagships, including the Realme GT8 series lineup. In a new post, we shared the details on Vivo. According to the tipster, the Realme GT8 Pro will disrupt the industry, suggesting it will pack groundbreaking features and specs. He claims it will be the company's most premium phone ever. He revealed in today's leak that it will come with Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 chipset, will with a flat display that supports 2K resolution. It will have a 6.85-inch 2K OLED screen by Samsung, equipped with AR anti-glare coating. Will feature 200 megapixel periscope telephoto camera backed by a large camera sensor. It's tipped to have a large battery, enhanced motor and speakers. For security, you'll get 3D ultrasonic in-display fingerprint scanner. It's expected to be very expensive at launch. The Realme GT7 Pro was launched at $500, while there is no price leak, suggestion that this phone will be around minimum $555. The Realme GT8 is expected to be launched with the Pro series. Will feature the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. Although other details are not known, it will come with an impressive display and periscope photo camera.